Andrew Hassman here from Remax. Today we are talking about swimming pools. Those of you who are thinking of buying a home that has a pool, or maybe you're looking at homes and you happen to find a house that has a swimming pool, a few things to note. First of all, if you own a house with a pool, your pool is going to be a magnet for all your family and friends. So every weekend, you're going to be entertaining. So you're going to need to set your boundaries so your home doesn't become a constant place of gathering on the weekends, because you want to have your own life too. But getting down to the actual swimming pool itself, if you find a home with a pool, you absolutely need to, as part of your offer, make sure your offer is conditional to having a separate pool inspection. Don't use your general home inspector. Get a pool company to come in, check the pool, check the mechanical, make sure there's no unpleasant surprises when you take possession of the home. As well, you can also ask the current homeowner for a maintenance record of the pool. Chances are they've got a maintenance company that comes. There'll be a documented list of things that have been done to the pool. How old is the heater? How old is the pump? How old is the filter? Just so you can have full information ahead of time before making a decision whether to buy the house or not with the pool. Other things to consider: if you own a house with a pool, you're going to have extra utility costs. There's the cost of heating the pool and the cost of running the filter and the pump. So you've got extra electricity, you've got potentially extra gas, depending on how the pool is heated. So that's going to add to your monthly utility cost every month. You're also going to have a pool company most likely come in on a weekly basis, check the water, check the mechanical, and make sure it's running. Cost of regular maintenance is around a couple of $100 per month, and your utility cost is going to be really dependent on when you're heating the pool. Most people heat their pools between May and September. You're probably looking at an extra $500-600 a month for electric and gas. Of course, if you're heating it in the off months, like in the winter or fall or early spring, it's going to cost you a lot more. So, bottom line is this: pools are great to have. They are extra cost and maintenance. If you have any questions about this topic, reach out to Jill and I anytime. We own a pool. We've been through the process, and we're a great resource of information. Andrew Hassman from Remax. We look forward to connecting with you soon.